January 10th, 2026, the Manrega Bachao Sangram, a 45-day people's struggle, begins against the Modi government's brazen dismantling of the revolutionary social welfare scheme and its replacement by the VB Gramji Act 2025, a law that tears apart the lifeline of rural India. Manrega Bachao Sangram is not about a change of name. This is about snatching away the right to work, a right that gave millions not just wages but dignity.
Manrega is lifeline for the poor. They purposely destroying that act, and the villagers, poor villagers and farm laborers, he want to make them slaves of the rich people. Therefore, we fought for that to retaining the Manrega Act, original act, and also whatever the provisions are there, they should be retained there. A new act I condemn, and it is only helping the government.
Forget the bulldozing for a moment. Even on pure merit, the shortcomings of the new scheme are brutal and undeniable. Manrega gave a legal right to work. VB Gramji converts that right into a favor from the government. Manrega was demand-driven. VB Gramji is budget-driven. If money finishes, work finishes. Manrega was funded 90:10 by the centre and the states respectively. VB Gramji shifted the burden to 60:40, pushing states to the wall. And the biggest lie of all, they promise 125 days of work, but between 2020 and 2025, workers barely got 50 days on average. So the question is this: when Manrega, the world's largest employment guarantee scheme, has already delivered and is clearly far better than VB Grameen, why is it being dismantled? Because its very success unsettles the Modi government.
पिछले 11 सालों में मोदी सरकार ने ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों के बेरोजगार, गरीबों और वंचितों के हितों को नजरअंदाज कर मनरेगा को कमजोर करने की हर कोशिश की, जबकि कोविड के वक्त ये गरीब वर्ग के लिए संजीवनी साबित हुआ। 20 साल पहले अपने गरीब भाई बहनों को रोजगार का अधिकार दिलवाने के लिए मैं भी लड़ी थी। आज भी इस काले कानून के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हूँ।
Yes, the fight will go on because one man cannot make laws alone and destroy millions of livelihoods.
मुझे बताया गया है कि ये डिसीजन डायरेक्टली प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस से लिया गया है और मंत्री से बिना पूछे, कैबिनेट से बिना पूछे ये डिसीजन लिया गया है। इससे आपको आज की हालत क्या है उसके बारे में पता लगता है कि वन मैन शो चल रहा है।
And that is why the Manrega Bachao Sangram has 3 clear demands. Withdraw the VB Gramji Act 2025. Restore Manrega as a right-based law. Restore the right to work and the authority of panchayats. Manrega Bachao Sangram is not about politics or ideology. This is a battle for dignity, livelihood and constitutional rights for villagers, workers, farmers and laborers. And we will fight together. We will fight united. We will fight until justice is restored. From January 10th to February 25, 2026, let us raise our voice together. Manrega Bachao, right to work Bachao, Loktantra Bachao.